What's up, guys? So I found something interesting the other day, and it's actually an old trailer that was made out of the bed of a truck. And this is, I don't know, 40s, 50s, 60s, I don't know what year it is, but it is an old one. Chevrolet. And don't really know what I'm going to do with it. Really have no idea yet. But getting myself in deep on this one, that's for sure. Well, guys, after 11 months, I am proud to say that the trailer is completely finished. And it is beautiful. Now, I've already seen a few shots of it, just giving you a little bit closer walk around. Now, you know, some of the things that I'm really happy about with this and what I really enjoyed about doing it is, one, you know, a lot of this stuff I've never done before. So just getting my hands into this, just jumping right in and learning a lot of this, but also just the imperfections in it, you know, keeping this old original part of the bedside, you know, still having all these the pitting from the rust, you know, getting out the major dents in the fenders, but you know, there's still some, you know, some stuff in there that you can see. And just like, you know, with the back, I mean, this piece, you know, isn't original, but it's been on there for a long time. So, you know, just some of those things I'm really excited about. And, you know, some of the things that make me like what it came out to and doing it is just having these original parts, because, you know, it would have been easy to just buy new stuff and slap some new stuff on there. But, you know, this isn't what this build was about. Just kind of keeping and recreating, you know, those original parts to it. So the bed turned out fantastic. Just have some tongue and groove in here and have it sealed with some Thompson's water seal, and really happy with the look of that. Also, these guys, these things are beautiful. One of my favorite parts of it, and those hubcaps just really set it off. Just set off the whole thing. Got the spare tire up here with the hubcap on it. I mean, these things just shine, stand out so nice. You know, got some new chains on it and got it all wired up. I think the taillights look great. These are, you know, the original style taillights on there. And tailgate, awesome, functional. So I mean, all in all, man, I'm just so happy with this thing. Really happy with how it turned out. So much fun. And honestly, it was super challenging trying to learn some of this stuff and figure out how to do it and what I was doing. So really challenging, but you know, the end result speaks for itself. Absolutely speaks for itself. So it's been 11 months of hard work, challenges, struggles, learning process, whole lot of new things, but I'm excited about having this finally done right now, completely finished. So I appreciate all the support throughout this project. It's been a long 11 months, but it's finally done. So until next time, I'll see you.